So let's say you want to split text so you can change the color. So if you have something like this, let me show you how to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a duplicate of this. Now, I'm still going to want to play around with spacing and things, but for here, let's play around with just this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight just that word and the color behind. So now I have this. Now, just like we've done in previous tutorials, the one with the retro T, there is a way to convert this so you can connect the letters together. Same thing with the monogram that we've done before. So with something like this, what I can do is I can go in, grab the text, not highlighting the text, but actually selecting the box or the frame that's holding the text. That's important. The next thing is I can do this create outlines. What this does is it converts the font into separate individual anchor points so that now I can either go in and modify any of these individual anchor points if I wanted to. Like if I wanted to make this taller for some reason, I could do that. It's going to allow me to move things around. So that's kind of cool. Remember, you can go in and you can look at other glyphs that are inside of here. We did that with that little flourish, that little wiggle that was happening. So with something like this, I could, let me click this bigger one. I could go in and find other symbols within that font. There's a whole bunch of other options and things here. So that's another thing that you can work with. But let me show you how to actually split the text now. So once we have the word set up right, what we can do is just like you've done before with the shape builder, I'm going to go ahead and highlight these pieces. And what I would like to do is I would like to turn these pieces that cut over the purple into a different shape. So I want that part to be a different color. I want this half to be a different color, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my shape builder. I'm going to click on that bottom piece, and I'm just going to select each one of these. And then now what I can do is I can go back and I need to ungroup. That's the other thing I forgot to tell you at the very beginning. When you do the create outline, it is going to make a different shape, but it's going to still be grouped together. But you see what's happening now is it's only grabbing those pieces. So if I wanted to reverse the color, I could do something like that. And then if I wanted to, I could grab these extra pieces here because they're all separate shapes now. So I can't change the font after I've done this because they are now shapes instead of actual editable text. So again, the shortcut or the short refresher is you highlight your text. You always want to do this with a copy, not the original. And you highlight the text, you choose create outlines. Then you can go ahead and ungroup and then highlight the area that you want to cut or modify, and then use your shape builder to turn those into individual shapes. And that, go back here. Once you've done that, got those separate little pieces, and I can colorize it and do different things with it. So that is how you will go about splitting things using other pieces or other shapes to be able to do that.